Let's talk about property disclosure statement, often called a PDS. This is pretty much a standard document that is provided for all residential properties in British Columbia. This is a form that the homeowner will go through and fill out to the best of their ability. And it is all about the condition of the home. So it'll cover everything from the roofs to the pipes, electrical, changes done to the property, whether they're with permit or without, if a secondary suite is legal, registered, or illegal, if the roof has had leaks. All of this should be disclosed in the property disclosure statement. It is actually illegal for a homeowner to hide any defects in the home if they are made aware of them. So they need to disclose it. It's really important that everything, as a home seller, if you're a home seller, that everything you know about the home is disclosed in that PDS. Sometimes, if it's been a rental property, the owners will just cross it out and right at the bottom, they've never lived in the property. Some banks don't tend to like that. But if it's been an owner-occupied property, they'll be able to fill it out to the best of their ability. That gives you a really good idea of what condition the home is in so that you can plan and negotiate a great price. If you found this helpful or you know this may be helpful for somebody, please forward on and watch the other terms I'll be posting in the coming days. For more bite-sized content, follow and watch my other videos.